Hey guys, quick hands-on style breakdown of the Thunder Wasp XR16, a 16 kilowatt electric dirt bike that's been getting called a SurRon killer. I spent some time digging into this machine, and on paper, it is seriously wild. We're talking about a 72V48/8 setup, pushing up to 16 kilowatt peak power and around 460 Nm of torques, which means instant arm-wrenching acceleration. Top speed sits around 55 mph, and it can hit 0 to 30 in roughly 3 seconds. The suspension is fully off-road focused, with long travel forks and a pretty aggressive geometry. Now compared to a SurRon Lite B, this thing clearly leans more raw power over polish and aftermarket ecosystem. Riding it feels like it wants to rip the trail apart, but it is still very much in that high-power e-moto category. Price-wise, you're looking at just under $5,000, which makes it interesting if you want power without building a SurRon. So, is it worth it? Honestly, if you want straight performance and don't care about brand hype, it's a strong contender. But if you want proven community support and resale value, SurRon wins.